welcome back everybody. We are going to do a review on a very special product. I've been wanting to do this now for a while, and that product is this right here. And let me see if I can zoom in on this. There might be details in here we may not want to put on here. Okay, so it's going to be on this product right here, and I'll bring you up, try to show you what it is. Let me hold it there for about a minute. You can read that, hopefully. And so that is on my order that I placed with Chileplant.com. So a lot of people have asked me, have you ever ordered from Chileplants.com before? And then they've been asking me about it, and I said, no, I'm familiar with them, but I've never actually ordered the live plants. I always order seed and then I grow it out from seed. So I figured I would do something with this this year, and here we go. So here we go, and we are going to open it up and see how it comes. So first of all, just so you know, when you order from them, it's going to come in this fashion. This is the way it was left to me, so I don't know if this is right or wrong. I don't know, but it looks as though it's supposed to come like this. I don't know, guys. They could be broken, I don't know. So it looks like you're supposed to open it this way. I don't know. Then what? No, it was right. So that is the way it's supposed to be. It came like this. That they went through the trouble of, what is that on the top of here? Oh, it's a little spider. Get out of here. So they went through the trouble of actually leaving it on my porch this way. So it's going to come upright like this. And so this is the way you're going to want to open it. And basically what you're going to see is this right here. This is how it's going to come. Now, I've never ordered plants in the mail, so it's kind of new to me, this type of technique to do this. So I'm not used to ever seeing plants be shipped like this. So they come this way, and they're secured pretty good, I'm going to be honest with you. So even if you knocked it over or something, it's not going to, the plants aren't going to jostle all over the inside of the box. So what I need to do is open this somehow. And it looks like there's another one on the side here. Alright, so you open it like that, and there you go, look at that. Isn't that nice? I have to do a snapshot of that. What a great looking presentation. So this is the way they come. And so we'll talk a little bit about the company and some of the things that they offer. And sorry about that, I got my mic here. I don't want to clip it to my shirt because it's too loud. So we're going to go in here, and amazingly, it comes out like this. I give them credit. I'm going to give them credit on this because I've never seen it actually done this way before. Pretty interesting. I'm not used to this. Okay, so now this is how it comes. And this is the way my plants come. Now, they said to me that these plants can generally come anywhere between, I believe they said 3 inches to 6 inches. Some of these are a little taller. And so they look like they're in really good shape, to be honest with you. Now, the shipping for this was $14. I would imagine that is standard shipping for this type of arrangement. So that's actually not bad when it comes to this kind of a thing. It's not like you're getting seeds. So this is how it comes, and you're going to pay roughly about $14 in shipping. Now, one of the things I want to talk about is you got to keep in mind when you're buying from this company, they're going to give you an option to choose whether you want to allow them to swap out a variety or not. And that was an issue that I had, and I contacted them, and we straightened the issue out. But I didn't realize how much was going to get swapped out. So I ordered roughly 12 plants. As you can see, there's 12 plants here. I got 12 plants, but 6 of them were swapped out. So I was a little bit uncomfortable with that. I was not really happy with that. I didn't think that they would swap out 50% of my order, but they did. They did make right on it, so I went back there. You know, I went back online. I told them about it, and they would have took a refund back if I wasn't happy. I could have sent it back, or they would have did a, you know, they would have sent me a postage for or label or whatever to ship it back. But they says if you want, just go pick out 6 others, and you know, and we'll ship them out to you. And so we went with that route. And now I didn't want to ship that. I didn't want to have to cancel the order because there are a few things in here that I want. But a lot of these are duplicates, unfortunately. And I can't use them, to be honest. So I said, whatever you want to do, I'll either send them back or I'll give them away or something like that. So I might do a giveaway with these, but I don't know how to ship them to you guys because I can't really afford the shipping to ship these live plants out. If you guys are interested in the extras that I have, I'll tell you what they are in a minute. If you're interested in the extras, I'll ship them out, but you got to pay for the shipping on that, and I'm not going to be able to put it in like a package or something. It's got to go in a box. So I don't know how much the shipping is for it. If you're interested, I'll ship them out. If not, I'll just maybe give them away locally or something like that, because I can't use them. It's just too many plants for me. But this is how it goes, and I'm pretty happy with that. Now, like I said, about 6 varieties I didn't get, so a lot of this is already duplicates. So we'll open this up and see what it actually looks like on the inside of this. It's put together pretty good, I'm going to be honest with you. I really like this. Now I do got another box coming because they said they're going to replace the they're going to replace the plants that I have. So, but I'm not going to do anything with that one. I'm pretty sure you guys will get the gist of what. If you're wondering if you should order from this company, this is what you're going to deal with. This is what you're going to get. Put together pretty good. I'm going to give them that. This thing's pretty solid. Okay, so that's how it goes. I got you. I'm going to take this lid off. You gotta just bear with me. I'll try to maybe cut this out. Be real careful doing this too. You could go too deep and just literally cut all your plants down. That would be a really bad day, man. I'll try to speed this part up or cut it out. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I know you don't want to watch me do this. But yeah, you're going to want to go all the way around with your knife. And then once you get that done, and then hopefully, very carefully, rip some of the leaves, trying to get it out. I don't know how you're supposed to get them out of here. I'm gonna be honest with you. You got to get this off of here somehow. You know. So now I'm not picking on them. I'm just saying. I don't know how you're supposed to get. You got to be very careful taking this apart. Apparently. So when you take this apart, just try to get all this tape off of here. Right, and so you're going to have to surgically take this apart, guys. They have to do this to get it to you safely, but you're not going to just... You got to be very, very careful doing this. Alright, so you have to, guys, you're going to have, when you take this apart, this is how it comes. They have like a template on it. You're going to have to be very strategic to try to get this apart. You will rip a few leaves getting this off of here. Again, I'm not picking on them. They have to do this in order for them to get this to you safely. But you literally have to be very, very, very careful taking this apart. It's very delicate, this thing. Okay, so we got that off. All right. And so basically what this is from here, what it looks like. So as you could see, I'm not sure if you could see that. Why is it? Okay, yeah, you could see that. And basically what it is it's just these plants in these pots. Very nice, to be honest with you. It comes like that. Okay, comes like this. This one happens to be a Texas Chileplant, which is one of the plants that I got like 6. They replaced it with 6 of these. I don't need 6 of these. So that's a Texas Chileplant. I don't know which one it is. There's literally hundreds. And all right, so yeah, that's another one. So if you guys are interested in these, maybe I could ship them out to you, but I can't guarantee you that how they're going to get to you. I might just give these away locally, but I can't use them. I got my hands full. I got 300 varieties of peppers I'm growing this year on top of this. So I've got my hands really, really, really full. That's not going to be good for me. Let's see, what else do we got here? Okay, so these are all Texas Chileplants. Like I said, they replaced a lot of my order with the same thing. And I told them, I says, I can't use this. I need my money back. I don't need this many Chileplant plants. I already have all of this stuff already. I don't. What am I going to do with all this extra? So, yeah, they said they'll replace it. I don't even know what this is. Guajillo. I never even ordered guajillo. I already have guajillo. This is what I'm telling you guys. You know, I'm Snow White. I know that one I ordered, so that's one that's good. Let's see. Mulatto Islano, that was a replacement. I never ordered guajillo, so I don't even know why guajillo is even in here. I'll be honest with you. I have no idea why guajillo is in there. I never ordered that. Here's Chileplant Phoenix. That one's correct. They gave me 2 Chileplant. They messed this whole order up, guys. They literally messed this whole entire order up. I don't even have the other stuff that I ordered in here. Here's Bailey. So we got. They literally sent me doubles of everything. I only got 4 plants that I ordered. Arabi, Guicino, whatever that is, and this is all, that's it. I only got, I'm not happy with this. I'm still not happy. They messed this order up, man. They messed the entire order up. All right, so anyway, guys, it's, the order is about, this order is pretty messed up. They did correct some of the other problems, but the other stuff I got in here is not even correct. The only varieties I got that is correct is 4 out of 12. And they're going to send me 6 more, so I guess that's 10. And I don't even want those other ones. I had to pick something else. The entire order here is just not right. And so I don't know what to say. They made mistakes on all of this stuff. So I mean, it's okay. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Take care.